is up, YouTube? This is Brad here. Happy 4th of July. Today I'm going to show you Lake Jackson. My friend Jason invited me out, my family, and we're going to go out on the boat, do some paddle boarding, do some swimming. So come on and check it out.
Loves a slot machine. I think love's an understatement. So, as any good parent or grandparent would do, she decided to buy her own so the grandkids could learn how to properly use a slot machine. What better way than to learn on a Chinese off-brand 1980 slot machine?
Nice. Well, I've never done a slot machine, so.
Well, today is your lucky day, Dad. You take your money and you stick it in there.
Okay. Like just one at a time?
I mean, you can put as many as you want in there. The more the better. The more the merrier. You pull this little Joy-Con down.
Oh, big time. Oh, that's bad.
Gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you and defender.
Oh, what's the question?
Who invented the first flushable toilet?
I don't have no clue.
Sir Thomas Crapper. That's a true story. You Googleize that. That's right. That's right. That'll be $5, please. $5.